name's Janelle and welcome to the final day of 12 Days of Rosery. So in this video, I'm going to be making my partner Matt and myself matching outfits for Christmas. This is kind of a little bit of a tradition we've started. It technically only started last year. I have been making matching outfits for Matt and I, like when we used to go to festivals and things like that. But now that we don't really go to festivals anymore, I have kind of transitioned it to be a Christmas tradition. So last year I made us matching outfits for Christmas Day, and I decided I would do the same this year. So let me start off by showing you what I have planned to make. So here's the fabric I'm going to be making the matching outfits out of. It's this really beautiful double cotton textured fabric in the most beautiful duck egg blue / sage green color. And Matt actually picked this one out. And as soon as he grabbed it, I knew I had to make myself something out of it as well. And I think it's also going to be a really great fabric for summer and perfect for Christmas Day. So Matt's decided he wants a new shirt made out of this fabric. And for myself, I'm going to have a go at making a really cute summer jumpsuit. I found this one here by one of my favorite brands, Ollie Ella, and I'm so in love with it. And the fabric is actually very similar to this one here. So that's really exciting, and I definitely recommend you check out Ollie Ella if you haven't heard of them before. So I'm going to start off this sew with me video by getting the fabric ready. It does need a bit of an iron, and then I'm going to start preparing my pattern pieces. Okay, so I have my men's shirt pattern. This one's a self-drafted one and it's pretty tried and true, except I'm going to make Matt's a little bit smaller than usual, so I'm going to make him a medium. I've just noticed he's been wearing more slim-fitting shirts than baggier ones, so hopefully this will be a good size for him. And then hopefully I will have enough fabric to cut out my jumpsuit as well, but I'm going to start with Matt's shirt. Okay, I'm going to cut out my jumpsuit now. So I have also self-drafted this jumpsuit. I used to sell handmade clothing and this jumpsuit was one of the products I used to sell, but I wanted a bit more of a skinny leg. So I've just pressed the pattern piece in a little bit just to make the leg not so wide. And I'm also going to add a sleeve piece as well because I want this jumpsuit to have little cute sleeves. Okay, so I've cut out both the shirt and the jumpsuit. I think I'm going to start with Matt's shirt. I'm not sure if I'm going to get both of them finished today, but that's okay because there's always tomorrow. Also, it looks like it's about to start raining outside and I'm just so excited for a super cozy sewing day today. Okay, so I've just attached the collar to the shirt. I think it's looking really cool, and I'm actually pretty impressed with how quickly this is coming together. It's now time to sew the buttons on and stitch the buttonholes. This part is one of the most tedious parts of the whole project, but it's okay because I know as soon as it's done, this whole shirt will be finished, and I think Matt's going to be really, really happy with it actually. Now that this shirt's done, it is a lot later in the day, so I'm actually going to pause this video here and start making my jumpsuit first thing in the morning. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with how this shirt has turned out, and I think a jumpsuit in this fabric is just going to be so nice. I'm very, very excited to see how it turns out. Oh, it's lovely. It's day 2 of making our matching outfits for Christmas. Matt's shirt is done. It's beautiful. I love it. He is actually away at the moment, so I can't get him to try it until he gets back. So hopefully it fits him okay. But today I'm excited to be making a start on my jumpsuit. I haven't actually made myself a jumpsuit in a very long time, so hopefully I can remember how to go about making one. And I really hope it works out to be at least a little bit similar to the Oliella one, because that one is just stunning. I'd be very happy if it was even half as nice as that one. It is freezing here today. It does not feel like summer at all. So I've got a cup of tea handy to keep me warm, and I'm gonna start with the bodice first and get it all made up, and then I will pop in with you and see how it's looking. So the bodice is complete. I'm really happy with how it's looking. As you can see, I've decided not to go the buttons down the front like the Oliella one. It was just going to be a little bit too fiddly with this really light fabric for me to try to tackle today. But I'm okay with that, as I don't really need buttons down the front, and then it will instead just have a little zip at the back. And now it's time to make the pants to go along with it. This fabric though is so nice. It's tricky to work with, but I can already tell it's just going to be so comfortable to wear. And the texture of the fabric is just stunning. I love it so, so much. Like I said before, I haven't made a jumpsuit in such a long time. I think I'm doing it correctly. I'm just pinning the back of the jumpsuit to the front, and it's almost like muscle memory. I'm just pinning things where, I don't know, my hands just know where they're meant to go, I think. So hopefully it will turn out okay. So I'm also only going to sew up until this notch here and leave this back open a little bit so I can put a zip in. But yeah, fingers crossed it all works out okay. Okay, so I've just tried on the pants just to see how they're looking, and I have to say I'm pretty happy with them. I think they go in a good amount at the cuff and they are super comfortable. So now all I need to do is attach them to the bodice. Very close to being done now. So my jumpsuit pattern I make quite like over large, so it's nice and comfy. So now I just need to make a little tie to cinch it in at the waist, and then it will be time to try it on. I am so happy with this. Like I said, this fabric is just so nice and it makes the whole jumpsuit so incredibly comfy, and I'm really happy with the fit as well. I think it looks really cute and it's just going to be such a nice outfit for summer. So easy, and just with a pair of sandals, I just think it's going to look so cute. And the color of it, can we just talk about the color of this fabric for a minute? I think it's actually picking it up pretty accurately here in this room. It's just such a beautiful color. Yeah, I just think this is so cute. So as I said, Matt is away at the moment, but when he gets back, I'm going to hopefully try and get some cute shots of us together wearing our matching outfits, and I'll insert them now so you can see what they look like together. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it's inspired you to make an outfit of your own for Christmas Day. I also wanted to say a massive thank you for all the love and support you've shown me throughout 12 Days of Rosery. It has been so much fun to create this series, and getting to chat with you every day in the comments has been such a joy. So thank you for watching them and liking them and just overall enjoying them. It really means so much to me. My usual content will be going out as normal tomorrow, so you won't have to wait long until there's a new video. But if you did enjoy this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching.